ultrasonic range detector and alert system for shift safety. The basic idea of this concept is ultrasonic based range detector. So let us see the abstract. We know that ship will move at very crucial environments. There may be heavy rainfall, there may be heavy fog condition, there may be heavy invisible motions they need to travel. So on those situations, if any obstacles approaching near the ship, it will be very difficult to identify. So for the purpose, we are designing a basic model of ultrasonic based obstacle detection system for ship safety. So this is the basic block diagram. So the entire thing is interconnected with a Arduino microcontroller. The microcontroller is basically interfaced with the components like ultrasonic sensor, LCD display and power supply unit and a buzzer. So the main thing which we required for this project is the ultrasonic sensor. In ultrasonic sensor there are two different kind of thing. One is a trigger and echo. I'll explain you in the real-time demonstration. So this is the basic block diagram, and coming to the system requirements, the hardware required for this project is Arduino ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, LCD display and basic power supply unit. And as usual, the software IDE required is Arduino IDE. So these are the general. So this is the report of this project. The report is about 68 pages. So let us see the real-time demonstration.
So this one is a ultrasonic range detector. So first, before demonstration, let me explain you what are the components here. So the concept of this project is the sailing ships or sailing vessels don't have any idea about overall coming around the ship. If any pirates or any other ships or boats come near to the larger vessels, they can't able to identify easily. So for that we propose this concept. Is a range ultrasonic based range detector. It will identify any persons or any people coming near and around the vessel. Okay, let us see what are all the components here. So basically this will be the power supply unit. I taken the power supply from the AC source, from the normal plug which we are using in our home. So it will connected to the step down transformer. This is a step down transformer, and this is the power supply unit. This is the Arduino microcontroller. So the controller which is going to be programmed, and what are all the conditions we are going to set, which will be there in the IC, and a buzzer. A buzzer gives the warning about overall coming near, and a simple type of alert system. So this will be like so second, actually this one is identifying my hand. So this is the LCD display which will display the distance. So if any objects are coming near, it will identify how long the object will be. It will show the exact measurements how long the object will be. And this is the ultrasonic sensor. In ultrasonic sensor there are two kind of things. One is a trigger and another one is a echo. So this one is a trigger and this one is a echo. Trigger means it will send some ultrasound signals to the object. So this will transmit some ultrasonic signals. So it will go and hit the object, and the ultrasonic signals will come return back to this receiver. So this is a transmitter and receiver. So whenever the signals receives back, it will identify some kind of object is in front of the ultrasonic sensor. So let me demonstrate you. So this is ultrasonic sensor. It will, if any object is coming, for example, I am taking this pad and I am showing in front of the ultrasonic sensor. So whenever the object reaching near to the vessel, it will automatically start alerting. You can see the distance. So some kind of object is nearing to the ship. So if it goes away, it will stop. So this is how the warning system will be work. And coming to the components point of view, this is the step down transformer which converts the 220 volt AC supply into 12 volt. So after the 12 volt is converted, the converter voltage to be converted as DC. For that we use bridge rectifier. This is the bridge rectifier circuit, and this capacitor will act as a noise remover This is a voltage regulator. It will convert the power supply into regulated 5 volt. The 5 volt will be taken to all the circuits. This is a microcontroller, Arduino microcontroller. So entire program will be fused in this microcontroller only. This is a buzzer, 16x12 LCD display. This is ultrasonic sensor. Just connect it to the power supply and start working on it.